Have you ever noticed? Your upper chest looks fine, but the lower chest always feels empty. No matter how many push-ups or bench presses you do, you just don't get that sharp cut and definition in the lower chest. The truth is, developing the lower chest is what gives your chest that full, aesthetic, and attractive look. And the good news is, you don't need a gym for this. There's one simple home exercise that directly targets your lower chest: incline push-ups. In this video, we'll cover how to perform incline push-ups correctly, why they put maximum stress on your lower chest, and how to progress them for faster results. Let's start with the form. Find a strong surface, like a table, sofa, chair, or the edge of your bed. Place your hands slightly wider than shoulder width. Now step your feet back and keep your body in a straight line. Slowly lower your chest toward the surface, and then push back up while exhaling. Remember, keep your back straight. Don't flare your elbows too wide. Always control the movement on the way down. So why does this hit the lower chest so effectively? When you perform incline push-ups, your body is angled upward. This angle naturally shifts the pressure onto the lower pectoral muscles. In simple words, it mimics a decline bench press. The result, your lower chest starts cutting out. Your chest looks fuller and more defined, and your overall body looks balanced and aesthetic. Now let's talk about reps and sets. Beginners, 3 sets of 8-10 reps. Intermediate, 4 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Advanced, 5 sets of 15 to 20 reps. Want to make it more challenging? Move your feet further back to increase the angle. Try pause reps. Hold for 2 seconds at the bottom before pushing up. Or wear a backpack with some weight for extra resistance. So you see, one simple exercise, yet the results can match an entire gym workout. Incline push-ups are the easiest and most effective way to carve out your lower chest. But remember, consistency is the real key. Do it daily, do it with the right form, and in just a few weeks, you'll see the difference in the mirror. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because next time, I'll bring you another powerful calisthenics move you can do right at home to take your fitness journey to the next level.